What's up, family? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop in here and I got this 150 cube. I got this $150 call queued up, right? Let me see. For 105. Let me show y'all. Let me get in here and do it real quick. View NVIDIA options. At the top right here, you got August 30th, right? Because NVIDIA reports on the 28th, right? So look at all these calls. Look at this 120 call. It's almost $1,000. I had y'all in there. We cashed out. We don't take no chances. We cash that money out. 140 calls. 140 calls. 260. They done pulled back a little bit. We want them to pull back though. We want them to pull back. Let's look at the 150 calls, right? In the 150 calls, I read the article. We got a lot of open interest, a lot of volume. The low is 106. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get in here and we're gonna say we want one. We want one at no. We want one at 1.05. So if it come down to 105, we're gonna hop in this one and then we're gonna buy another one when it come down there, right? So we can be ready, right? So if it go up 100%, we cash out the one and then we keep it rolling. Now I'm gonna show y'all why I'm doing this, right? Let me show y'all why I'm doing this. Let me go to this article. Another thing what I like to do is I like to go to Yahoo Finance and read the articles, right? So let's skim through this. I just skimmed through it. NVIDIA stock fell more than 3%, right? Ahead of the earnings. NVIDIA shares gained more than 25% in August. Analysts expected to beat on the 28th. The expectations of the Blackwell shipments have been backfilled with Hopper bookings because they are expected to be delayed. The chips are by 3 months because of what's going on in China. They say it's from a malfunction in the chip, right? I read that in another article. NVIDIA expects they expect NVIDIA to beat, right? Driven by strong demand from Hopper GPUs, right? So they got a buy rating of 180, right? So that's why I was telling y'all $200. NVIDIA's going to $200. Blackwell chips reported delays because Amazon, Meta, Facebook, Meta, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are waiting on these chips, right? City analysts reiterated their buy rating. They expect Blackwell to reassure investors a strong outlook 2025 to make a fresh 52-week high. Analysts have a target price of 150 on the stock, right? Goldman Sachs have restated their buy rating on NVIDIA, which sits on the firm's conviction list. So Goldman Sachs is looking at NVIDIA. Wall Street remains positive on big tech's AI infrastructure spending. Demand across large cloud service providers, enterprise is strong, and NVIDIA's robust competition position in AI accelerated computing remains intact. So nobody can match the computing that NVIDIA has, right? They saying it's intact. NVIDIA forecasts a revenue growth of 112% in the latest quarter, although it's a slowdown from over 250% of growth seen by the company's last quarter, last year, the same quarter, right? So Nvidia has been a major driver and a rebound. The stock roared back roughly from its August low when it fell below $100. This is why I was telling y'all, go buy. It's time to buy. It's time to buy. Shares touched the intraday of 140. 100 closed at 135.58 on June 18th. Majority of analysts are bullish on the AI heavyweight chip. AI chip heavyweight with 66 buys, 8 holds, and 0 sales. Right? So that's telling us that everybody's buying this stock, nobody's selling it. And if anything, they gonna hold it. Right? But a lot of people are buying